Michael's new toy. It's been trimmed and stowed, and now it's a spot lock. And we're going to have a look. Right there. And
still where it is.
I'm so relieved this works because I ran over it with my car today, and Michael could hardly control himself, but he did. He did.
I never said a word out of place.
He couldn't bring himself to say a word. But I've got a feeling for the next 10 years, anything that goes wrong with this motor is going to be on me somehow. But it's sitting there doing its job very nicely, and I think he's made the right decision. He's got 24 volts, and I reckon that's all you need. Because they are 130 amp hours.
130 amps.
He's got as many amps as I've got with a battery with a 36 volt system, but I've only got 105s. And he's probably got the same weight, so he's probably saved a couple of grand off the couple of grand,
from
which
the
is
big one to this one,
which is a good saving. Oh yeah, and he's got a good price on batteries. You want to know where to get cheap batteries? Talk to Michael. Cheap batteries. So we're going to go fishing now, aren't we, Michael? Are we ready to go?
Yeah, I think so. Okay,
let's go. Snapper time. What do you think of that?
Engineering at its best.
There you go, engineering at its best. Oh, watch, here it goes. Look at this. Look at that.
There you go, self-deployed. Now, what do I do?
We'll have to get into customising these and selling them. But I've got a polycraft, and the hull's kind of, you can't get access underneath. So to avoid ripping up the hull, just put it on. The other thing is, these things break down, so it gives you a work platform to deal with it. And in the sea, you don't want to be at sort of, He's having fun.
Is that 120?
No, no.
You lost him?
No.
Oh, Michael. This is our dinner. This is our dinner.
It's really fun.
Are those Victorian knots going to hold? And it's a married cod by the look of it.
Not that's a race.
That's a married cod.
I think
he's a bit undersized.
He's undersized.
We go close. Like that's pretty. They fight hard too when they come in.